This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Lorraine Epperson. Great location near Schools McDonough District Hospital. 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch home. Large eat-in kitchen with commercial stove, separate laundry room, interior of home has been recently painted. Large 2-car garage with attic for extra storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorraine Epperson at 309-833-4577.